Roasted garlic mashed potatoes are the perfect addition to your holiday meal. So first of all, you'll need an entire bulb of garlic and a sharp knife. Carefully use the knife to slice off about a 1/4 inch from the top of the bulb so that all the cloves are exposed. Transfer the garlic to a piece of aluminum foil on a baking tray and drizzle with oil. Now tightly wrap the foil around the bulb of garlic so it is completely covered and bake in a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for between 40 minutes and an hour depending on your oven. When it's done, the garlic should be soft and the top should be slightly caramelized. Set your roasted garlic aside to cool while you make your potatoes. Now I used russet potatoes, but that's just because that's all that I had available. Yukon Gold is also a great potato for mashing. Try to slice your pieces into roughly the same size so it all cooks evenly. Then cover with water, sprinkle in a couple pinches of salt, and bring it up to a boil. If I'm honest, I never really keep track of the time it takes to cook the potatoes fully. I always go by feel. When pierced with a fork, the potatoes should easily break apart, and that's how you know it's time to strain them. So if you have a potato ricer, that is by far the best way to get a smooth mash. But if not, a potato masher or even a fork if you don't have a masher will do just fine. I actually like my potatoes a little on the chunky side, so I didn't go too crazy with the mashing. Then I tried to do that satisfying squeeze of the garlic, but didn't really work. Never fear though, I got all the garlic out of the bulb and added it to the potatoes, followed by some butter because butter makes everything better. So unfortunately, due to lack of prep on my part, my potatoes had cooled a bit before I added the butter. But if you make this at home while everything is still very hot, the butter will melt beautifully into the potatoes, then you can add some cream or milk a little drizzle at a time until it reaches the right consistency. Finally, I just added another sprinkle of salt to taste, then it was ready to serve. I would exclusively eat mashed potatoes if it were feasible, so you better believe I'll be making these again. Perfect for a cozy night in or a boisterous family get-together. Let me know if you try these at home, and while you're here, click on one of these other great videos.